Mercedes-Benz will invest €1,300 million in an electric car factory in Poland. New factory built in Jawor, southwest Poland, will provide 2,500 jobs for the local community. Mercedes-Benz plans to manufacture electrified large cargo vans, first based on Van EA platform developed by this company. Mercedes-Benz cars has been producing combustion engines in Jawor since 2019 and car batteries since 2021. During the presentation, Mateusz Morawiecki, the Prime Minister of Poland, said that a new investment shows that big companies trust Poland, and this is a clear indicator of how Poland develops our production and industry. The plant in Jawor, in Lower Silesia, is to be the first Mercedes production center dedicated solely to electric vans. The plan is to be built next to the existing engine and battery plant. The head of the Polish government emphasized that it is clearly visible how large technology companies are changing their operational paradigm. The world is facing a great challenge related to the war in Ukraine, but also great technological challenges. He added that companies, such as, for example, Mercedes-Benz Group AG, which trusted Poland a few years ago, are a clear indicator of how we develop our production, Polish industry, and how our government tries to protect both native and foreign investors, creating appropriate conditions for economic activity on equal basis. Prime Minister Morawiecki also emphasized that he wants that the economic development territorially balanced should be a trademark of Poland's economic development. Therefore, in triangle of cooperation between the local government, the economic zone, and the government, Poland creates the best possible conditions for economic development. The head of Council of Ministers also pointed out that the investment means new jobs. He reminded that currently unemployment in our country is almost the lowest in Europe, but the government is already looking ahead for several years. We care about high-quality work, good education, remuneration, and connecting all elements of the process of the needs of investors, he said. We create the best possible investment environment for investors from the tax and regulatory sides. This is extremely important, said Morawiecki, because these are new jobs, hundreds, and in the future, even in the near future, over 1,000 of new jobs. Morawiecki thanked the Marshal of the Sejm, Elżbieta Witek, who, as assessed, is the good spirit of Jawor, the entire district, the entire province. He noted that he had talked to her many times about the development of both the factory and neighboring communities. Our ambition is to offer the most desirable vans and services. For this, we must be highly innovative and compatible in all areas. At the same time, we must safeguard our business in the long term. A key success factor is the realignment of our European production network, said Matthias Giesen, head of Mercedes-Benz Vans. The decision for Jawor, Poland, is another milestone on the road to electromobility. We are only repositioning our products, but also future-proofing the entire value chain, from procurement to production, to logistics and sales. We are therefore investing in Van.EA, our new all-electric van architecture. Thus, we will also ensure our leading position in the field of all-electric light commercial vehicles, also in the future. At the same time, we are preserving the long-term prospects for the existing plants in Europe. We signed a memorandum of understanding with the Polish government and other Polish economic partners. This shows that we use excellent conditions and common infrastructure at the establishment Jawor location to build a new plan for the production of vans. As the flexibility manufacture vans with combustion and electric drivetrains in all our existing plants, we will build our first pure electric plant in Jawor. We thus set new standards and move forward to our path towards sustainable, fully electric mobility, said Giesen. In the future, the large vans, close model panel van, are to be produced on Van.EA basis there. By consistently focusing on the production of all electric vans, Mercedes-Benz aims to achieve productivity advantages and thus significantly improve competitiveness. The establishment location enables van division to optimize cost and supply chain, as well as energy-efficient production of new generation vans.